Hello friends, welcome to infyGyan. We have sum of 4 square roots in left hand side. Should we go for squaring both sides? No, it would be very messy. Should we go for substitution straight away? No, it is not visible right now. So what we will do to get the real values of x? We will do these steps. Square root x minus 33 over 15 can be written as x over 15 minus 33 over 15. Splitting of numerator with respect to denominator plus square root x minus 28 over 20. We will write x over 20 minus 28 over 20. Then we have square root x minus 18 over 30, which we will write square root x over 30 minus 18 over 30. Then we have fourth square root x plus 12 over 60. We will write x over 60 plus 12 over 60. In RHS we have x over 12. We will write x over 12. Now here we have 15, here we have 20, here it is 30, here it is 60. So let's find LCM of 15, 20, 30, 60. We'll get 60. So we'll use substitution x equal to 60y. We will write our equation square root 60y over 15, 4y, minus 33 over 15, 11 over 5, plus square root of x over 20, 60y over 20, 3y, minus 28 over 20, 7 over 5, plus square root 60y over 30, 2y, minus 18 over 30, 3 over 5, plus square root of 60y over 60 will be y, plus 12 over 60 would be 1 over 5. In RHS, 60y over 12, 5y. Now we will think about substitutions. Let us say first square root equal to p, second square root equal to q, third square root equal to r, and fourth square root equal to s. So we'll be writing our first equation p plus q plus r plus s equal to 5y. Now we'll be squaring our substitutions to get the values of p square, q square, r square, s square. So I will write here p square equal to 4y minus 11 over 5. Q square will be equal to 3y minus 7 over 5. R square will be equal to 2y minus 3 over 5. And we'll write here s square equal to y plus 1 over 5. Now we have to add all the 4 equations. We'll put plus sign over here. So in LHS we are going to write p square plus q square plus r square plus s square will be equal to 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9 plus 1 10y minus 11 over 5 minus 7 over 5 minus 3 over 5 would be minus 21 over 5. Then we have 1 over 5. So 1 over 5 minus 21 over 5. We'll get minus 20 over 5. It is equal to minus 4. So we'll write here minus 4. Now we have first equation p plus q plus r plus s equal to 5y. So let us write here 10 2 times 5. So we'll write 2 times 5y minus 4. If I will write our first equation, then P plus Q plus R plus S, this is equal to 5y. So let me write here 5y. Now I will replace 5y by writing P plus Q plus R plus S. So we will write P square plus Q square plus R square plus S square in LHS, and in RHS we will write 2 times P plus Q plus R plus S minus 4. Now we will write all the terms to LHS. So I will write here P square plus Q square plus R square plus S square minus 2 times P plus Q plus R plus S plus 4 equal to 0. Now we have to expand here, and we will write P square plus Q square plus R square plus S square minus 2P minus 2Q minus 2R minus 2S. Then we have plus 4, which we will split 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. RHS is 0. Now I will take P square minus 2P plus 1, and will write in one bracket P square minus 2P plus 1. Similarly, we will take variable Q and write Q square minus 2Q plus 1. Then we have variable R, will write R square minus 2R plus 1. Then in the fourth bracket we'll write S square minus 2S plus 1 equal to 0. In each bracket we have one perfect square. Here we'll write P minus 1 whole square. Then we have Q minus 1 whole square. Then we have R minus 1 whole square. Then we have S minus 1 whole square equal to 0. Sum of squares, if it is equal to 0, then it is confirmed that individual brackets should be equal to 0. Then only it is possible, because each square is always non-negative number. So we will write equal to 0. So from here we will write P minus 1 equal to 0, Q minus 1 equal to 0, R minus 1 equal to 0, and S minus 1 equal to 0. So we will get P equal to Q equal to R equal to S equal to 1. Each value equal to 1. Now we have substitution. So if I will write here after squaring, then we can write P square is equal to 1. We can write Q square is equal to 1. We can write R square is equal to 1. And we can write S square is equal to 1. Now P square is 4y minus 11 over 5. So I will write here 4y minus 11 over 5 equal to 1. Or 4y will be equal to 1 plus 11 over 5, which will be equal to 16 over 5. So from here, after dividing by 4 both sides, we will get y equal to 4 over 5. Now we will consider Q square equal to 1. Q square is 3y minus 7 over 5 equal to 1. Or we can write 3y will be equal to 1 plus 7 over 5, which will be equal to 12 over 5. After dividing by 3 both sides, we will get y equal to 4 over 5, which is matching with our previous y value. Now We will take r square equal to 1. So r square would be 2y minus 3 over 5. Let me write r square equal to 1. So 2y minus 3 over 5 equal to 1. 2y will be equal to 1 plus 3 over 5 will be 8 over 5. By dividing 2 both sides, we will get y value, which will be 4 over 5, and which is same as previous y values. Now we have s square equal to 1, which I will write over here. S square equal to 1. S square is y plus 1 over 5 equal to 1. Now we'll subtract 1/5 from both the sides, and we'll get 1 minus 1 over 5, 4 over 5. So y is 4 over 5. Y was our substitution. It was x equal to 60y. So I will write x equal to 60y, and y is 4 over 5. Put y equal to 4 over 5, we will get 60 times 4 over 5. So 60 over 5 is 12. Then we have to multiply with 4. So our answer will become 48. So x equal to 48 is the only real value which will satisfy our equation. Now we can cross-examine whether it will satisfy or not. So we have equation over here, and we have only one solution, x equal to 48. Let's plug in x equal to 48 in left hand side first. So we will write here 48 minus 33 over 15. So I will write 48 minus 33 over 15 plus 48 minus 28 over 20 plus 48 minus 18 over 30 plus square root of 48 plus 12 over 60. Now 48 minus 33 is 15. We will write here square root of 15 over 15 plus 48 minus 28 is 20. So 20 over 20 plus square root of 48 minus 18 is 30. So 30 over 30 plus square root of 60 over 60, which will give us square root 1 plus square root 1 plus square root 1 plus square root 1 will be equal to 4. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now we will check our RHS at x equal to 48. So x over 12, we will write here 48 over 12, which will be equal to 4. LHS equal to RHS. Hence our solution x equal to 48 is true and verified. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Bye bye.